Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So in order to do this, open up your Google Play Store. Next is to find an app called Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use, and click on this plus button, join the class. Here you can enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.